Our next stop is going to be Denny's in Tacoma. Who is using the Denny's restaurant? They're supposed to know about that. Hi everyone. I'm going to put my belt and I will move. No, it's too early. I'm going to put my GPS. I set my GPS already to Denny's. This local job in Seattle I'm doing. My name is Konstantin, truck driver for 5 years. Like professional truck drive before I did box truck for a lot of years. So I done dump truck, I did fuel for few companies, for Shell, for Jackson Energy. I did dump truck for Skagit company one season. I did doubles for Friends Bakery for a short period of time. I tried myself there and here, you know. So I have a little bit experience over there or here. Yeah. So we're going to do right now. Next stop is, it's called Denny's restaurant. I believe most people know about that restaurant. I like Denny's. I not very often goes over there, but I like that kind of country style food, you know, like a homemade. So yeah, we're going to do a grease trap service over there. Yesterday I was talking a lot with Johnny, who was listening my podcast with him before. Yeah, he was talking a lot about different presidents, what presidents did good and what president did not very good. Maybe in the future we're going to make more podcasts with him. Yeah, he explained, and he knows a lot about politics here and about truck driving, because he's truck driver for 25 years. Me is like new, you know, 5 years is not very like a long period of time, but he has some experience. And we're going to see a beauty of local job. So grease trap is tanker vacuum. If you tanker driver but you never used pumps before, so you can see how I'm going to do it. If you truck driver, you can see tanker job, tanker career, because CDL job have a lot of specifications, like different lines. So yeah, right now we are not far away from Nordstrom Rack and Nordstrom. Oh, this is Nordstrom and Macy's. I'm going to take Portland South exit I-5. Who is live in Seattle, they very well know this road. I take it right now from Wingstop, 1,000 gallons. I put a video to another channel. It's like more for people who speaks Russian and who is wanted to learn English. I try to speak both of languages over there. Little bit in English, little bit in Russian. Yeah, that stop was not bad because I did that stop before and not while ago. If usually people like don't doing service in time, that stuff is going to be not very good. You're supposed to spend